Hello and welcome to this week-long meditation series designed to help you begin each day with intention, reflection, and a sense of inner calm. Each meditation is inspired by a day of the week, offering a unique focus to support your mindset and well-being. By setting aside just 5 minutes each morning, you can cultivate presence, reduce stress, and be more aware and in charge of your own internal experience. Welcome to Wednesday, the midpoint of our week. Named after Mercury, the messenger god, Wednesday is a day of wisdom, communication, and adaptability. To get started with our meditation, close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs. Hold for just a moment, then exhale slowly out through your mouth. Today, let's try a breathing technique called the physiological sigh. This breath can help reduce stress and put your nervous system at ease. Start with 2 quick breaths in through the nose, followed by an exhale out of the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Last time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now imagine yourself standing at the center of a bridge. Behind you is the start of your week, and ahead of you lies the remainder. Let's pause here at the center, where you can see both the past and the future with clarity. With each breath in, gather any wisdom that you've gained so far this week. With each breath out, release anything that no longer serves you, anything you're holding on to, even just for this moment. If there's something you wish to adjust moving forward with your week, acknowledge it with kindness. Repeat to yourself, I am adaptable. I can make space for what I need. I move forward with clarity and ease. Take a final deep breath in, feeling a sense of balance and alignment. Tune into your body. Feel your weight supported by the ground beneath you. As you exhale, step forward into the rest of your week with renewed clarity. Please be kind to yourself, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me in this week-long meditation journey. By taking just a few moments each day to pause, reflect, and breathe, you are nurturing a deeper connection with yourself and moving through your week with greater intention and ease. If you'd like to learn more about my work or connect with me, you can find me at evergreencounseling.com. Wishing you continued peace and presence on your path. Take care.